If you are running a Linux distribution on WSL2 inside your Windows 11 or 10 laptop, then changing hostname is a nightmare. So in this video, we will see how you can change the hostname of your Linux distribution. This is my Ubuntu VM, which I installed on WSL2 inside my Windows 11 laptop. And if you want to create a setup like this, you can check my video on WSL2. I will provide the link in description box. So first, we will check the Ubuntu version or the operating system version. For that, I will type cat etc star hyphen release. So I am running Ubuntu 24.04. So next, we will check the host name. For that, there are two commands. You can type host name. So it says Linux Tech. Else you can type host name ctl. Okay. So here you can see our host name is Linux Tech. Now I want to change this name, this host name to Linux Tech Hub. Okay. From Linux Tech, I want to change Linux Tech Hub. So how can I do that? Okay. So in order to do that, first you need to modify the file wsl.conf inside etc. So for that, I will type sudo vi etc wsl.conf. Hit enter. Okay. Now we need to add few lines. So first you need to put network, close up bracket, come down. Then you need to put host name and then provide the new host name. So Linux Tech Hub, come down. Then you need to provide this line, generate hosts. And you have to put false. Now let me explain these lines. So the first line, host name, defines that the host name will be updated in the etc hostname file. So here I have put Linux Tech Hub. Now this will update the etc hostname file. Okay. Now the second line, generate host is equal to false, will prevent WSL from automatic generation of etc hosts file. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? Host file will be overwritten during relaunch of this operating system. So if you do not put this line, the last line, or if you put true here, then what will happen? Whenever you will reboot your operating system, the host name will be again revert back to your old host name. Okay. So now we will save this file. Now we will see whether our host name has been changed or not. For that, we will type host name. Okay. So you can see it is still Linux Tech. So it has not been changed. Again, we will type host name ctl and it's still showing Linux Tech here. So again, we will check the etc hostname file. So we will put cat etc hostname. So here also we can see it is still Linux Tech. So as I mentioned, in that file, we have put hostname is equal to Linux Tech Hub, but it has not been reflected yet. So for that, what we can do, we need to relaunch this Ubuntu operating system. For that, I will type exit. Okay. Now I'm back to my WSL2, that is my Windows PowerShell. So let me clear this. I will type WSL-L-V. See that we have our Ubuntu 24.04 and it is in stopped state. So what we will do, we will relaunch our Ubuntu operating system. So for that, the command is WSL-D and then we will copy paste the distribution name here. Hit enter. We are now inside our Linux or the Ubuntu operating system and the name has been changed. So let me clear the screen. So now we will type again host name. Okay. Now the new name is reflecting. Also we'll put host name ctl and we can see the new host name is reflecting. So we will check now cat etc host name file. So here also the new name is reflecting. Now we have to check one more place, else it will create a problem. So that file is cat etc host file. So here we can see in this file, the name is still reflecting the old name. The new name has not been changed here. So we will update this file manually. So we have to do sudo then vi etc host. We will modify the host name here. So we'll put Linux Tech Hub and Linux Tech Hub. Now we will save this file. Okay. Now we will again exit this operating system and we will relaunch the operating system. So we'll put exit. Now we are back to our Windows PowerShell. So we'll type wsl-l-v. We can see Ubuntu, this is running. So what we will do, we will stop this. So wsl-hyphen shut down, and we will copy this distribution name here. Hit enter. Now again we will check wsl-l-v. So it is now stopped. So now we will again relaunch our Ubuntu operating system. For that, wsl-d and the distribution name. So now we are inside our Ubuntu operating system. Let me clear the screen. So now we will check cat etc host. So you can see Linux Tech Hub. It has been reflected here, and also cat etc host name. So now the new name has been reflected everywhere. Now we will check whether this new name is being resolved or not. For that, we will update our Ubuntu operating system. So for that, we will type sudo apt update. Hit enter. We'll provide the password. Okay, now see, it's working fine. So if the new host name has not been updated properly, then this command, that is whenever you will try to update your operating system, there will be an error. Now my Ubuntu operating system has been successfully updated. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create and bring more such useful content. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, take care of yourself. Bye bye.